Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at dreaded nose pimples. While you watch these examples, let me tell you about the benefits of comedone extractor tools. Pimple popper tools do an amazing job of expressing pores and popping zits without spreading bacteria and causing scars. Don't get me wrong though, cheap tools will do permanent damage to the skin. That's why I'm picky with my pimple popper tools. I'll put a link in the description below to my favorite pimple popping kit. It's the only kit I trust with my skin and my nose pimples. So check out the Amazon link below and order yours today. Hey there, pimple popper fans. If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.